If you're playing Payday 3 on an ultra-wide monitor, you may want to raise your field of view past the maximum of 90 in-game. Obviously, this video isn't going to be for everyone, but if you find that you're heading across to the options screen and expecting to crank up the field of view past 90 like you can in a few games, and of course in the previous Payday games, how do you get it up past 90? Well, the answer is actually super simple. Simply, first of all, close the game, then hold start and press R at the same time to bring up the run dialog. Inside of here, type %local app data %, and hit enter. Then we'll navigate into Payday 3, then save, config, and Windows no editor. Inside of here, we'll look for the GameUserSettings.ini file, and we'll open this with any text editor. Inside of here, simply look for this section, SBZ Game User Settings, and you should find the SBZ version, camera vertical field of view, brightness, etc. What we can do is change the camera vertical field of view from 90 to maybe 110 or anything higher, and it should reflect in-game, even though the options menu doesn't let you see that high. Simply save this file, and the next time you fire up the game and join a match, your field of view should be a lot higher. Anyways, it's a super niche guide. If this is something you wanted to do, well, now you know how. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!